You've learned how every piece moves. Now we learn how the game actually ends. One word changes everything: checkmate. When a piece attacks the enemy king, the king is in check. It's a warning. You must deal with it immediately. You cannot ignore it or make any other move. Here the white queen on d8 is attacking the black king on e8. The king is in check. 3 ways to escape check. Move the king to safety, block the attack with another piece, or capture the attacker. Here the white rook on e1 is checking the black king on e8. Black's rook on i5 can block by moving to e5. Or the king can move to d7 or f7. 3 options, 3 escapes. Checkmate. The rook on e8 attacks the king on g8. The king cannot move because f8 and h8 are controlled by the rook, and f7, g7, and h7 are blocked by its own pawns. Nothing can block or capture the rook. There is no escape. Game over. This is called a back rank mate, one of the most common checkmate patterns. A queen and king checkmate. The queen on d7 attacks the king on e8. Check every escape square. d8, controlled by the queen. f8, controlled by the queen. f7, controlled by the queen. There is nowhere to go. Checkmate. The queen and king working together can always force this ending. Let's bring it all together. Check means the king is under attack and you must escape immediately. 3 ways out: move the king, block the attack, or capture the attacker. Checkmate means the king is in check with no escape. The game is over. That is the goal of chess. Every move you make should bring you closer to checkmate. This is what chess is all about. Check means the king is under attack and you must respond immediately. 3 escapes: move, block, or capture. Checkmate means there is no escape and the game is over. Next lesson, 3 special moves that add even more excitement to the game.